The Lenovo Legion 5i Pro 16 is a flagship gaming laptop with a 16-inch QHD IPS 165Hz anti-glare display. The laptop has a screen resolution of 2560x 1600 pixels and a maximum screen resolution of QHD 2560x 1600 IPS 165Hz pixels. The laptop is powered by a 2.3 GHz processor. The display is a 16 inches WQXGA 2560x 1600 IPS anti-glare, non-touch, HDR 400 100% sRGB, 500 nits, 165 Hz, LED backlight. The laptop is available with different graphics cards, including the RTX 3070 and RTX 3050 Ti. The laptop has a backlit keyboard and a built-in webcam. The Lenovo Legion 5i Pro 16 is designed for gaming and high-performance computing, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and professionals.